Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy to see you again on Thursday afternoon, 12 p.m. CST. As usual, we are here with a new topic today about our more which is very relevant and which is very helpful for us. And today with me, our team is also here. With me, Abhishek Jain. He's a CPA and a tax director of AZ FinTax. And Abhay Jain is also a CPA and a tax manager of AZ FinTax. Today we are here to share some new topic. And Abhay and Abhishek, let's start the show.
Thank you, Anil. Thank you for that introduction. And hello, everyone. Today's topic is very fascinating because it is all about financial investment. Now, financial investment, when we hear about financial investment, we always think about real estate and stock market. These two options always come in our head first. So today we will talk about financial investment, which financial real estate investment is right for the tax saving purpose, and we will also talk about investment in a stock market and how it can help you to save some taxes. So choosing between real estate investment and stock market investment is a daunting decision. Both has their own limitation and own advantages. So one has to keep in mind many aspects of it. Today, today my counterpart, Abhay Jain, who is a seasoned CPA and our tax manager, who will join me, and he will explain more about real estate investment and how that can help you to save some taxes. So, welcome him. Hi, Abhay. Join
Yes,
to the
thank
program.
you. Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Abhishek, for the introduction. Thank you, Anil. So, it's a very interesting topic: real estate versus stock. Which is better investment options from tax saving perspective. So we are covering both topics today. So as Abhishek mentioned, both have their advantages and drawbacks. So I will talk about real estate investment advantages. So real estate. So real estate it's a very good option for passive income. You will get a steady cash flow income with real estate, and there is more leverage. You can use that to own that property. You need to just put it down like 20% or 25% down payment, and remaining for remaining
Abhishek, can you change the slide, please?
for remaining that's yeah okay. So for okay, for remaining you can for remaining amount you can use a debt. Also there is more you can real estate you can control. You have more control. You can decide tenant. You want to, if you don't want to put it on rent and you want to use that property for your own, you can use it. So yes, there is a more control and there is more diversified portfolio with real estate. Now I'll talk about what are the tax advantages with real estate investment. So the most important thing is you can claim all the deductions like if cleaning, mortgage, property tax, association, home association fees, auto. You can write off all the expenses related to real estate investments, and you can claim all deductions in if it's 1040, you can claim that expenses in your schedule E. The most important deduction is depreciation. It's you can with this depreciation helps you in reducing your taxable income significantly, and that you can adjust. It will reduce your taxable income, and with that you will save some more taxes. Another advantage with real estate investment is 1031 exchange. So if you are planning to sell any property and you don't want to pay any capital gain tax, you can defer that with 1031 exchange. You can reinvest the proceeds which you receive from by selling the property, and you can reinvest that proceeds with similar kind of property, and you can defer that capital gain taxes. So that is the most important advantages with real estate investments. Yes, there are drawbacks. Drawbacks is majorly it's a very expensive. Real estate is like it basically you have to invest more. It requires large investment, and there is significant closing cost. You have to pay on top of sale price like 6% or 10% closing cost. And with the with the real estate, there is a less liquidity, because it's very difficult to get your money out with real estate as compared to stock investments. Like you can stock, whenever you want to sell it, you can go online and sell your stocks and you will get your cash immediately. With real estate, it's a time consuming thing. Now Abhishek, he will talk about stock investments.
Thank you, Abhay. Thank you for that insight. Thank you for that insight. And you rightly said that stock market definitely has some advantages. Uh, of course, stock market does not have, and when we talk about saving taxes, stock market does not have as much tax saving benefits, but still there are certain benefits there. As you said, like high liquidity. So high liquidity, when you have a investment in the stock market, you can invest and you can take out your money with just few clicks, and you can buy or sell your stock. So that's a very good advantage. In case of some emergency, you can sell your stock. Another is a diversification. Diversification is also a very good option here, because in stock market offer wide range of investment options, such as like if you want to invest in automobile industry, or if you want to invest in a IT industry, or whatever industry you want to invest in, and you can buy those stock. Of course, you can also go to EFT or index fund and you can make your investment. So that kind of diversification is possible with buying stocks. Now, one another option here, or one another advantage here, which is historical performance. With stock market, you always have some idea about the past performance of that company. Now, once again, past performance doesn't guarantee that in future also you will get same or similar return. So one has to do their own study, but you can go and study about that company's fundamental. So those kind of benefits are already there. Few other benefits like passive investment. You don't have to be actively involved 24/7, and you can make that investment. So that is also one of the very good benefit over there. Now, one more thing, a few more aspects of the tax that I would like to focus today is and earlier also I said that it is very limited. Tax benefits are very limited, but still there are few. One is a long-term capital gain. So when there is a long-term capital gain, you sell your stock after 1 year, then that will be typically capital gain tax percentage is typically lower than your regular tax rate. Now it depends in which tax bracket you are in, but yes, it can help you. Second thing is a short-term capital gain. When you sell your property in less than 12 months, then you have to pay short-term capital gain, and that short-term capital gain will be rated tax rate as your regular taxes. So that can be another advantage, that you may have to pay less. See, in all situation, in all scenario, you have to see who you are, what you want to do, what is your goal. Then one more is a dividend income. Now, dividend income will be taxed as a capital gain, and it will be long-term capital gain you have to pay. Again, there are two types of dividends. qualified and non-qualified. So we have to see that what kind of income you have. Another is a harvesting loss. That is another big advantage. Sometimes you have some stock which is not giving you as much as a return, and and you see that for a long period of time it is not going to give you any return. So you can sell it, build some loss, and that loss you can write off against your capital loss. So this kind of strategy can be planned with your tax planner and with your CPA. So how I would conclude this, that real estate and stock market, both investments are good, both can give you very good return, but you have to make a strategy, you have to plan in advance, and then you can see who you are, what you want to do, what are your goals, how much risk you can take. Those things are very important. You must have heard that don't put all eggs in one basket. So either you can do a little bit balancing between both. You can invest in real estate, and you can also invest some of your fund in a stock market. That is what I would take it as. I hope that you got some idea about your investment.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let's see. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Anil.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Abhishek and Abhay. Thanks to both of you for sharing your knowledge, and I appreciate it. And at the summary, so diversification of investments are very, very important. Please don't put all your eggs in one basket. We see a lot of times, many of our clients, we have been noticing that they're investing heavily in the stock market. You may be working for Microsoft or an Amazon or any big corporates, and you don't have much time to diversify your investments. All the time, most of us will go and invest in the stock market because you can do this from your home itself. So, but we strongly recommend you. There are a lot of advantages for the real estate also. So diversify your investments into the real estate and stock market. I'm not asking you to put all your money into the real estate or in the stock market. Diversify. Diversification is very important. Both investment strategies have a lot of benefits, tax benefits we have, and also opportunity to grow it is also very high. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Let's see if you have any questions on the chat box. I don't see any questions on the chat. Let's. Yeah, we don't have anything. Yeah. Okay. Yep. And if you feel free to post any questions at any time in any of our chat, any of our social media channels, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. And if you're watching the recording later, still you can post your questions on the chat box. We are happy to take up those questions and help you and share our knowledge. And thank you very much. See you again with a new topic next Thursday afternoon, 12 p.m.